Hi, today I'm going to show you how to load a ribbon into an electric typewriter, and this is a Smith Corona, and most of the Smith Coronas and most of the electrics are going to be like this, the vast majority anyway. So usually on these you can just kind of slightly lift up and pull out. It's kind of on some, I don't know what you call them, levers or whatever, and you just put one spool on one side until it kind of falls in there. And then there's a guide with a split down the middle, and you're going to go ahead and put the ribbon through the guide. And hold on a second. Got to make sure that the ribbon isn't twisted. So I'm going to put this here. And you're probably going to want gloves. I should have put gloves on because you're going to get ink all over. I'm going to go ahead and lay this one in here. And it's kind of loose, and you want it loose right now while you're putting it. Okay, and then the guides for up here are, this is the guide. And if you look at your electric typewriter, this guide has a slit. You can see the two pieces of metal, and they're really tightly together, so you're going to have to get it down in there. It doesn't go behind the guides. It does not go behind the plastic piece and the metal piece. It goes, there's a metal piece here, and it actually, it's hard to see, it has a slit in it, and you're going to want to feed it down into there. So go down in, and sometimes I'll put like a bobby pin or something, but you can just feed it in there and then just tighten it up. Make sure it's in this guide here and that they're all the way down. So you have 4 guides. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And make sure that the ribbon is in there correctly. The red is on the bottom, the black is on the top, and you'll have to go wash your hands and be careful when touching the typewriter because you'll get it everywhere. And close it, and then your ribbon can be used multiple times. So when you get to the end, this is the ribbon reversal, and you flip this, and then the ribbon spool will go the opposite direction, and then when you get to the end of that, flip it back, and it'll go back this way. I hope that helps.